Start off by drawing the 4 ISO circles, and this is for 2.1. Make sure you have the right distance here, and just go by the text, get that done. Then you want to draw another ISO circle with a radius of 2. Make sure they're tangent, and you're going to pretty much everything in green is what you're adding here. And your offsets from center over and center down or center up here, follow this. Use your trim command, trim those circles off, then draw the 3 ISO circles, and it gives you the radiuses here, and you're going to use the same center point as the radius 2 ISO circle. So you should have a view like this. Moving forward, trim the 3 ISO circles like that. Select all the 1 ISO circles from the first and second steps, as they say here. Basically just follow this text, and you get an idea what you should be, how you should be progressing by this view here. Okay? Use your trim command again. Follow all of this. I'm going to try to leave this up where you can read it, or you can pause the video. So you now should have a view like this once you finish. Trim everything off, touch it up, and all you'll have left is the dimensions to check everything by. And remember, you should have at this point object, put everything in the object layer that is white, red is your center lines. That'll be in the center line layer. And you can check it with your dimensions here. So use this information to finish 2.1 in EGT 115, and again, just pause the video, read the text, read it twice, and follow those directions, and you should end up with the isometric that looks like that for 2.1.